Sobrang maliit lang yung kinita nila doon. And to think na sobrang laki ng area ng upper box B. So yung 1,000 na yun, kahit na wala silang malaking margin ng profit doon, pero yung balik sa kanila, talagang napag-usapan sila, talagang nag-trending sila. Why? Because they offered a really cheap ticket for an entire experience in the Philippine Arena that became one of the best experiences of those who attended there. So talagang sulit yung binayad. Kasi if you're a casual fan naman, di ba? If you think about it, if you just wanna experience what SB19 really is capable of, you wouldn't want to spend that much money. So it's very strategic. I'm not sure if it was one of their strategy to, no, I don't believe it is actually a strategy. I don't believe that because they just truly care about their fans. And SB19 is actually fully aware that their fans are, most of their fans, so there's a big chunk of their fans who are still students and who don't have that ability to buy expensive tickets to go to their concert. That's why they only offered 1,000 pesos. Right? Parang siya yung pinupuntahan din ng mga staff for more creative juices. Parang ganon. Hello you all there mga kakaps ko. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nika, your Tita 18 right here. Or you can call me O18 from now on. So mga kakaps ko, mga ka-O18 ko dyan, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is how I am. This is usually my backdrop when I am in China. Yes, I'm back now here in China. I left the Philippines on the 2nd. It was really right a day after the concert has finished. And yeah, I'm very happy that I managed to experience the grandest concert or comeback concert of our Mahalima, and that was God's timing for me because I have waited for that. I patiently waited for that for 6 years na. So kung hindi pa kayo nakakapanood ng SB19 concert, be still because you will have your own time, the right timing, kasi ibibigay ni Lord sa inyo yan sa tamang panahon. So without further ado mga kaps ko, let's enjoy the rehearsals of our Mahalima. I hope that we can see you know their dress rehearsals here, or from the very beginning that they practice the choreography of the songs that we have not seen yet. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive into this. Let's go mga kakaps ko. Ang haba nito, 37 and 30 seconds. Nasa the zone. So they started practicing at the zone.
Hi everyone.
For the safety.
Weeks before
Sila muna bago ang
concert,
members.
and we're going to teach W3 the choreography of Ethan Ball because me and Estelle choreographed Ethan Ball, and it's our, I don't know what they cut.
Oh my God, Justin! Welcome, Justin's choreographer era ba ito? Oh my God, Bunso! You actually choreographed with Stell, of course. Wow!
Lang namin, hindi pa siya tapos na tapos kasi gotta work with Kuya J and W3 para sa blockings and ma-visualize yung mga images and all inside yung mismo. So, yun lang. Ito kami ngayon sa zone.
Walang ka-makeup.
And earlier was our visa interview for our tour. So, ayun lang.
Probably that's a US visa or Japan or probably UAE. Galing! Come on!
Tulad ko malalakas, dapat turuan ko lang yung mga may ginawa ko kasi alam mo naman. Ano na tayo?
Pogi ni Josh! Oh. So inuna muna nilang ituruan yung W3 bago yung the rest of the members. I just hope mayroong English subtitle. Kasi
We just finished the choreography of Ethan Ball. Medyo nakapagod siya kasi it's a choreography na walang exit ng SB19. So it's the 5 of us dancing the whole song. So medyo mahirap yung ginagawa namin. So tinkarek na namin with vocals.
Walang pahinga.
Lalo,
Dire-diretso.
the whole concert na kasi mahirap na bumigay-bigay.
Gento, ang nangyari po sa first course na ganyan natin. Gento.
Very hands-on si Pao. As always, we knew that already.
Gento, parang hindi ba po yung
And Josue, right? Sitting next to him?
Ay, amin wala siyang, hindi siya yung parang hindi siya bold. Puro ganun siya.
Mana. This is what I love about them. Everyone has an input talaga. Hindi nag-start ko from
Mamaya, since first time ka lang lahat, baka po may mga...
Daran Dimples.
Nakasip siya eh. Nakasip.
Baka kailangan mo yung, meron kasi kaming inano doon, para siyang naka-white na sound, sa
Okay pa ba yung nag-vlog? Pogi ng amo. Super manly pag walang makeup si Kim.
May naka-parang instrument nga doon. Talaga? Pati nga yung sigang dyan, guess yung 11 na, pinatungan ko lang ano yun eh. Sarap ka.
Ooh!
Sa gitara ko.
Oo, gitara. Dang! Tapos yun na lang lang.
Yeah, because he produced, right? Quick.
Bago yun ah, kinta ba?
Oy, na-convert ko yung mga kapatid ko na maging 18. And grabe yung improvement ng vocals ni Ja at saka ni Josh. They're trying to kill the colors of my mind. Ba't ang bilis nito? Oh my gosh, sorry, naka 1.25.
One song, Atalea. One song lang.
Yeah, one song lang.
Second day of band.
La chawa chawa, la chawa chawa chawa, la chawa la chawa.
Pag-good vibes talaga, pa-GV talaga si Stel. Tingnan mo. Huy, ito yung napansin ko. Ang ganda ng pagka-tone ni Stel. Ang ganda ng muscles niya. Ganda sa camera.
Kasama na bibilang kami ni Pipi po na dapat.
Hindi talaga nauubusan ng banter sa Stel.
Or, tutuunin mo yung kulangan para pag may tumakot. Pwede ba po? Kailangan ko lang.
Yes, rockstar na din yan. Hindi na makapagpigil eh, oh. Oh, di ba? You know what? Giving it all during rehearsals is very important. Kasi dun yun na mapaparinggan talaga kung maayos yung kung maayos talaga yung pagkakaano ng sound system or yung pagkakaareglo, ganon, na sound system. Yung areglo. So, kailangan ibigay lahat. Yung pag-mix ba? Ito talaga. Nagpe-price sila lagi.
Check.
What happened?
I know.
Grabe, ang money ni boss. Isob!
Kumipinang ko.
Ay, okay.
Tingnan.
Clara.
Tayo.
Ito na yung sa Pure Gold, di ba? Rehearsal nila. Ano? Sa Pure Gold ba to? Pinalindigan na talaga yung kulto, mga B. Lagi nang hamon yan, Sob. Pogi. Lalaking lalaki si Pao. Ang ganda ng ending ng Gento talaga. Ayan, oh. The core control nila sobra. Ito dito.
Piling ko, lakihan yung buka mo. Huwag mo lakihan yung buka mo. Para ano lang, ganito lang. Para...
Ayan, oh. Oh, I'm really hoping na meron silang English translation para maintindihan ng International 18. And of course, Chinese translation din sana. Ano, rehearsal na may basketball. Ganun. And then, training. Cardio din yan eh.
Wala pa po, oh.
I love na may breather din sila. May time silang makapagganito, makapaglaro. Kasi kailangan to talaga. Ayan. Grabe! Ang hirap nun kasi diba, yung bigat ng katawan mo nun. Oh, kaya mo yan, Pao. Nagsosolo. Kahit rehearsal talaga. Walang lip-sync. Kailangan live yung boses.
Singit.
Style na. Oh! Kita ba?
Ba't kailangan may sounds?
Ganun, kailangan may sound effect. Hala, nasundot si Anger. Ang witty ng vlog nila. Guys, kung hindi... Yes! Ganito yung VR experience talaga. Ang lapit. Gusto mo na silang halikan. Gusto mo nang ganunin yung mukha. Ay, na Josh. Lahat sila. So meron. Of course, meron din talaga. Meron din talaga silang... Ooh. Medyo mataas pala yung pinag-anhan nila. Talunan nila. Ayan, oh. Even the way how they jump, it has to be in a right position wherein they can balance properly, because if they're not balanced well, baka matumba sila or mapapilok, ganon.
Sigaw lang. Hindi, sisigaw talaga kayo. Pero hindi lang basta-basta bibigay yun. Kasi ito, dito ka. Grip pang kailangan mo rito, no? Hindi, sir, pinakamaganda.
Naninigurado yan, so.
Oo, kasi may ano ka eh. Backup peg.
At eto talaga, medyo kabado sila nito eh. Kitang-kita.
It's a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per
Ang
person.
witty ng
That's
vlog!
£200 off for a family of 4.
Ang witty, sobra! Oh, dapat pala talaga ganon! But, yeah, for safety reasons, hindi nila ginawa. Pero, ang bango ng kilikili na yan. Char! Ang may pera para sa... Ay, ang may pera... Kanta ng boses, di ba? May bias na yung mga kapatid ko. Right there and then. Step. Nabibinggit talaga ang anger issue eh. Anger issue. Anger style. Ate that. Ate that. Ganda ng boses ni Pao. Yang galing nila. The harmony, mga kaps. That's what I said. That's what. I want you, baby. I want, baby. I want you. Oh, wala ako sa tong.
Every single time, come through again, come through again. I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you. Take your body on me. I want you. You just how I like it.
Kinikilig ka! Oh, sobrang proud ni Pao. Hindi pala siya. May napansin siyang mali. Pero sobra. Sabi ko doon sa vlog ko na lakas maka 90s nung I Want You na yung set nila sa I Want You at saka Moonlight. Lakas maka 90s ng boy band 90s na feels talaga. Anong pakiramdam? So alam na natin kung saan sila nakapwesto sa lahat ng mga members doon sa stage. I know, afraid to try a lie. Ganda talaga ng pagka nila. Ah, 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 ah.
Pero siguro kahit ano pa rin, meron pa rin change. Pero hindi siya totally lumaman. Feeling ko sa day 1 pwede. Kasi wala tayong ilaw sa para mamatay. Start ng ilaw, spotlight per part.
Grabe.
May nag-create si Kuya Jay, verse. Sa verse po, sa second verse, bago pumasok si Josh.
You know what? I have a lot to say. The thing is, right, they can freely tweak their own songs kasi it's their own song. To the point that it doesn't sound like the original already. Because they have the freedom to actually rearrange it. So sorry. And this is what I also said in my vlog, my previous vlog, na this is such a flex from SB19 kasi sobrang napakita nila yung vocal prowess nila dito at saka kaya nilang i-cover kung wala yung isa. Kayang-kaya. And I just wanna say, I really commend Pablo for actually seeing na may isasagad pa yung mga vocal prowess ng isa't isa. Kasi kung hindi niya nakita yun, hindi talaga, hindi niya mabibigay yung mga ganong bale, yung mga ganong atake ng mga lines nila. Especially sa ilaw, ang dami nilang tinweak doon. Sobrang ibang-iba yung ilaw. Moonlight, I Want You. Sobrang ang dami nilang binago. And I really admire them for doing so because then it really proved that they can just do anything. Talagang kudos din talaga kay Pablo kasi he's willing to really explore more. Hindi sila nagsisettle na komportable na sila sa mga kanta nila. Kaya na nilang ibirit yon, very comfortable, very parang na comfort zone na nila yung mga kanta nila, memorize na nila eh. But Pablo made it sure na talagang matcha-challenge din sila. Alam mo yung nasanay na tayo na pag ganyan lang, pero sila may pa-surprise lagi, 'di ba? So nakakabilib lang. That's it, 100%. Even rehearsal, diba? We knew that. Grabe
Isa to sa mga dream ng bawat isa. So, be mindful lang sa kung ano yung role nyo. Yung nakatulong sa namin ni KJ, control. Hindi lang control sa dance, control sa energy, control sa lahat. Kumbaga, be mindful sa mga kasama na rin. Kasi we're not performing as mag-isa, but as a group.
Yep.
So, yun gusto ko sabihin.
Move as one.
Sa ST.
Always think about your kagrupo.
Come on. Mga emoji.
Alam mo yung sobrang hindi rin boring din talaga kasi may sunshine ball talaga sila. Sino? May tenga para sa plong ka. Grabe dun talaga yung sino? Dun. Tao pa. Iba talaga yung amats na dun sa Estel. Isa ba to? Iba yung mga trip. Sobrang nakangiti lahat, diba? Saya katrabaho ng SB. Nag-rehearsal with their shoes kasi naka-platform. Kailangan nilang masanay na sumayaw with really high, thick platforms. Dito na yung confetti. Ayoko mamatay. Yung confetti dyan sobrang. Tinakuha mo ba ikaw yung ka nagsasawa. Ang cute! Uy, makaseryoso si... With the costume. Really nice. Talagang step by step para sumakses. Parang gano'n. Okay. Sa Pure Gold muna sila nag-practice tapos PH Arena. Pogi ni Stel sa specs na yan.
Punta kami sa Rican Arena kasi it's nice day. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, thank you.
Ganda ng pag-ganon-ganon ni Stel, no?
Thank you guys so much. Bye. Pahinga na kami.
Bye! Pahinga ka na.
Tapos, lalagyan lang ng effect na papasok dun sa world niya.
Grabe! May 29, may mga ano pa, last minute changes. Kasi very particular.
Tapos pa-close up na rin sa mukha ng Pablo. Parang green, parang papasok sa... So, parang mag-overlap na to na parang mag-clip.
You know that feeling talaga yung papalapit na sa PH Arena.
Bababa naman. Okay,
Sino po nagsabi?
galit na lang po yun, ma'am. Ayaw niyo po, ma'am. Tawag tayo ng security, ma'am. Evening po. Going to check the
May ano pala?
lights. We're going to check everything. We're going to
May
check
parking
your
sa ilalim ng
face,
PH Arena. Kasi nasa labas yung sasakyan namin. Akala ko outdoor parking lang. Meron din pala sa loob.
Josh.
Alam mo, may pagka-leader din talaga si Jack. Kasi feeling ko ang dami niyang say sa lahat ng bagay. Then apart from Pablo, I think siya talaga no? Parang siya yung pinupuntahan din ng mga staff for more creative juices. Parang ganon. Don't you think so? Na kung hindi si Pablo, si Jack yung parang kinukunan ng ideas. May... Ayan seryoso si Jack. Ayan di ba? Ang dami niyang nasasabi.
Pasok po onte I'm so excited.
If there's a second leader, I feel like it's Justin.
What's up? Hello po, good evening po. Sabi mo, okay, good evening po.
So May 29, 2 days before.
Susolusyonan na lang talaga natin siya.
Ayan. Diba? Jaan Pablo.
Pero kasi pag kuwari, pipicturean ka, kita mo yung sides, kita mo. Lalo pag nasa maskit. So, ang una ko naisip, una, kung pwede lagyan kong paligid ng design branches na kahoy. Tapos yung sabi ko,
Grabe, hindi lang nila hinahayaan yung staff nila na gumawa ng lahat. Sobrang hands-on.
walang yung foreground natin.
Ang seryoso nila,
Parang ang kailangan nito. Kuwari itong side. Hindi mo kasi maaalis foreground na lang ng halaman. Gusto ko na lang manood ng concert.
Kailangan daw may sub sila.
Mag-audience na lang po kayo.
Mag-audience na lang ako. Gusto ko na lang i-enjoy yung concert. Ay, siya nga antok no.
Sarap manood dito.
Kasi parang naka-VR.
Ang lapit, oo. Next time, itatry kong mag-mosh pit. Kasi I feel like mosh pit is parang mas maganda kaysa sa VIP standing. Talaga. Kung may mosh pit ulit, mag-mosh pit ako.
And then one more day before the real concert. Nandito kami sa Philippine Arena ngayon.
Pogi ni Pablo sa specs na. Yung haircut talaga niya during the concert, yung haircut na yan.
Medyo mga konting adjustments. Siyempre gusto natin ibigay yung the best for everyone who's going to watch the concert because they deserve it.
Yes. This is what happens when...
And some of the people flew from other countries just to watch us. So, gusto talaga namin maayos lahat as much
Grabe.
as possible. Kahit yung mga
They think
things
about their
na
fans'
modified their
experience.
try natin yan.
Yes.
Just so excited for the concert. And I know it's going to be memorable. Kasi Philippine Arena first concert na SB19. And with all the planning, alam ko na magiging So, yeah,
Paid off.
discuss kami sa speeds.
Well paid off talaga. Sobra. Kasi, alam mo yung, this is what happens when an entertainment company and when a boy group like this really think about the fans experience. Sobrang naibabalik din talaga ng fans sa kanila. Yung deserve na matanggap nila talaga. Sobrang, I don't know if other groups are like this. Yung sobrang appreciation sa fans nila. Sobrang iniisip muna yung fans nila. Ang witty! Yun lang pala. Diba? The thing is, right, 1,000, diba? 1,000 pesos. Bumalik talaga. Sobrang pinag-usapan kasi yung 1,000 pesos, isipin mo, may wristband na umiilaw ka na, tas may photo card. Yung profit margin nila, sobrang hindi malaki. Sobrang maliit lang yung kinita nila doon. And to think na sobrang laki ng area ng upper box B. So, yung 1,000 na yun, kahit na wala silang malaking margin ng profit doon, pero yung balik sa kanila, talagang napag-usapan sila, talagang nag-trending sila. Why? Because they offered a really cheap ticket for an entire experience in the Philippine Arena that became one of the best experiences of those who attended there. So talagang sulit yung binayad kasi if you're a casual fan naman, 'di ba? If you think about it, if you just want to experience what SB19 really is capable of, you wouldn't want to spend that much money. So it's very strategic. I'm not sure if it was one of their strategy to, no, I don't believe it is actually a strategy. I don't believe that because they just truly care about their fans. And SB19 is actually fully aware that their fans are most of their fans, so there's a big chunk of their fans who are still students and who don't have that ability to buy expensive tickets to go to their concert. That's why they only offered 1,000 pesos. They're not really money driven or profit driven. It's love driven. The love that they have for their fans, that's what drives them to actually offer that low cost for the cheapest ticket for their concert. So talagang hindi siya, talagang naging ganun na lang kasi napag-usapan. Pero I don't think it was a strategy na ganun. Talagang lumabas lang na talagang pinag-uusapan sila, lahat ng mga media outlets ngayon talagang pinag-uusapan. Kasi nga naman, di ba, yung quality na na-experience mo, the quality of your experience inside the arena was really way more than what you actually deserve, what you have paid for. After the concert, you would really think if Onesie Entertainment and SB19 were able to actually profit from it. Of course, there's a profit, but imagine the amount of people, yung pasahuran, they have a lot of staff, diba, na kailangan pasahurin. So imagine, magkano lang yung kinita nila dito? Not much. Imagine if they were under big companies, I don't think it would be the same quality. Kasi yung mga big networks and big entertainment companies, they're money driven, they're profit driven. And SB19 and Onesie Entertainment are not like that. They're more on like having an entire experience for the fans to be the best. So, talaga, yun yung nakuha ng fans. Kaya yung fans ngayon, sila na yung nagsasabi, parang kulang yung Ako, personally, yun yung na-feel ko, na kulang yung nabayad ko. So, next time, SB19, low-key saying na pwede niyong itaas yung ticket nyo, kahit na 1,000 lang, no? Kahit na 1,000 na akyat lang, okay na yun. Lalo na yung sa upper box B sa Gen Ad, now that people know what you're capable of, kasi talagang showcase talaga, what a legacy, what a showcase of talent, and what a showcase of who really SB19 is. So sa lahat ng nakapanood, talagang babalik yun, and they're willing to pay. And those people are your word of mouth now, na sila na yun. At sa dinami-dami din mga fan cams, mapapawaw na sila, and they would be willing to pay more na, di ba?
Grabe, kumikinang.
Check 1, 2, hey.
And then,
Pogi ni Josh. Si Josh yung bias ng kapatid ko.
and there was
Yung isa, si Pablo. Ganda talaga ng stage nila.
saan ako
Grabe.
punta, sinusundan ako. Teka mo. Ang galing. Problema namin yun. Bigger yung venue. Maraming adjustments from, syempre yung bounce, yung
Lights,
sound,
mics,
Eh,
everything.
sinasabit namin lahat. Hindi na kami mag-perform. Syempre, dapat ito kami sa technical side. Since usually kami naman yung, alam mo yun, yung parang very involved when creating everything. More on patience din talaga yung kailangan mo. Kasi mas marami yung antayan kaysa yung actual na mga parang
Ay, naka-Balenciaga si Sub.
malito kayo.
Mga malito kayo, oh. Ang confidence, the confidence na high.
Yung makeup pal ng mukha at lakas ng loob.
Yun.
Pogi yan, pogi yan. Mga shot namin. Di ba? Ano? Pogi yun, di ba? Music. Music muna. Music muna tayo para ma-adjust kung mayroon talaga. Kasi hindi ko pa alam.
Oda, intermission number. Where? Vocalization lang yan, mga caps. Taray ng vocalization, Estelle. And I'm ready to learn. Power of love. Love. Josh! Oh my God! Sino yung nakakuha ng ano? Oh God! That was si kailangan malakas ng loob.
Nakangiti naman si Josh. Ayan.
Kasi, di ba nakatayo sila ng tumalon, hindi yung may... Hindi nakatayo sila eh, straight sila eh. Hay!
Bakit ganon? Iba sa kanya. Bakit si Pablo?
Pero i-make mo yung paa mo, siya yung una maglalan bago mo ihiga sa picture.
Ha? Di kasi may matigas na bakal sa, ayan, sa harap nila. So, delikado. 5, 6, 7, 8! Oops! There. See.
Hindi kaming dog.
The reference. Anong bagay? Go, go, go. Terpak!
Karen naman, are you loving the ones?
Bakit may eye? Saan na lang dapat yon? Parang ayoko lang yung eye na gano'n eh. So may dress rehearsal din sila at the Filipino run-through. Parang last run-through nila with complete dress rehearsal.
Pinakita lang po sa inyo yung flow. Ilaw. Paano
Grabe talaga sila. Sila talaga yung last mag-comment kung satisfied na sila or hindi. Kasi kung hindi sila satisfied, kailangan i-tweak pa yan. Kailangan may gawin pa sila. Parang velvet ba yung mga damit nila? Kaya sobrang pawis nila eh. Lalo na yung kay Keno, makapal kung velvet yan. Ang ganda talaga ng ending choreography dyan. I want you, baby, I want, baby, I want you, baby, I want, baby, I want. Nakakakilig talaga si Ken. Go through and get it. Touch me up. Grabe talaga. Hype song. It will forever be the hype song for 18. And now, Dungka at saka 8-ton ball.
Schedule is a little tight, but the important thing is we do have a show.
May pa-pep talk si Direk.
It's not about a perfect show. It's about seeing you guys being the best at what you do, being comfortable, being enjoying your time.
Puso.
That's the
At saka
most
passion.
important thing. Don't worry about the technicals. We'll worry about the technicals. If we start worrying, then you start worrying. Right now, I'm not worried. Yes.
Parang frustration, hindi ako nang pwede na sound. Bakit ba?
Sabi si Pau. May last minute pa talaga si Pau.
Pero, pati ito pa yung isa. Kasi alam ko, may pure my style. Kasi ang gusto ko is
Tapos direct dyan, meron na tayo dadagdag na rumble sa sa prologue. Ay, prologue ba o ending pala? Sa
Meron na, nalagyan na namin yung bago sa prutas.
Grabe.
Pagkalapag namin.
The detail.
Parang 8 to 8 na...
The details are detailing.
Parang nag-earthquake din.
Okay.
Taray naman. Parang akong pusa dito.
Pogi mga Josh. Oh my gosh. Grabe, ang laki ng team nila. Wow! Amazeballs! Thank you so much, SB19, for letting us through and to the, behind the scene, the rehearsals leading to the concert. And 18 really appreciate this. And I just hope that there's some English subtitles for this. I hope it will come out soon so our international 18 would be able to understand everything that you're saying in the video. And if possible, when you upload on Weibo as well, I hope there is a Chinese translation because that's what most of the Chinese fans would love to see because nanghula lang sila, nanghula lang din kami. Ang hirap kasi nagtatanong sila sa akin, Nika, hindi naman perfect yung Mandarin ko mga kakaps. They can't trust me with my translation Kumbaga, ganon. So, yes, that's it for our reaction, mga kakaps ko. I'll see you guys again next time. God bless. Take care. Bye.